there. Welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, March the 2nd. My name is Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, March the 8th. This week's video is entitled Zippity Doodah because it is a great vibing week ahead. We have just one major energy shift. On Monday, Mercury moves into Aries. The sun will follow next week, but our whole new beginning, it's the first sign of the zodiac, and Aries is all about speaking our mind, being brave enough to stand up for our true self. So you can see why we also, just as a reminder, on Saturday night, we do go into daylight savings time for those of us who follow that. So Saturday is daylight savings time. But let's get started. Today, we have a lot of Pisces energy. You know, I love Pisces energy. So our creativity and our imagination is kickstarted this week. We have Mercury moving into Aries tomorrow, so we're feeling sure of ourselves. We can communicate. We sometimes we may not put our filter on our mouths. That's how excited we are about sharing our story. So remember to try to put the filter on so we don't offend anyone. But we're full of here I am, and what do I need to do to create this incredible life that I have? It's conjuring up in my imagination and my creative mind. That's what this week is all about. We've been talking about our intuition. Last week, we worked on using our intuition. This week, we should continue to use our intuition to guide us. And with this Piscean energy at the beginning of the week, don't forget our meditations, our quiet and centering, taking time out for self, whatever that looks like to each of us, because we are each of us unique. Each of us have special gifts. And that's what this program this week and what I've been working on is discovering what those special gifts are that we have and how we can share that with our brothers and sisters. And one way we find out is by what excites us. What is our passion? This is our key to finding who we truly are and what we love to do. And as I've said in the past, sometimes it's not our job, our career, but it can be. So don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. You know, I love this example. I've always wanted to play the guitar, but I really suck at it. So even though we won't make a living right away off of doing something that we truly love, we're passionate about, it will still bring us fulfillment and gratification, and it will still help us navigate our regular job easier. So it all works well together, and we are full of it at the beginning of the week. So make sure we have our antenna up. Make sure we're for uh, listening for messages, synchronicities, be listening to our gut. On Tuesday is a day of possible financial gain, financial insight. Either it's kind of the unexpected on Tuesday, so we might have a financial opportunity or realize financial gain from something that we've invested in. But on Tuesday, it's a really good day to look at our finances, see where we're at, and we're going to be very clear as to what we need to do to continue to be, if we aren't already, financially stable and sound long term. So Tuesday, watch out for this, but don't forget Jupiter is in Gemini. So don't let anyone coerce us or manipulate us. That could happen. There could be something that's too good to be true. And so we need to be watching out for that. But there are some good financial opportunities showing up on Tuesday. So be ready to grab that rung if it fits our particular circle. On Wednesday and Thursday, it's like our mind is exploding with all these great ideas, all these strategies, all these possibilities, possible opportunities. Don't hold back. This is one time we want to share what's going on with others. Others are going to be more receptive on Wednesday and Thursday than previously because everyone's feeling this newness, breaking out of this old skin. You know, it is Aries, it is the beginning of the zodiac. So it's our chance to start anew with Aries, a new habit, a new lifestyle that enables us to manifest the life that we want. And it enables us to share our skills with other people. So it's a great day. Write this stuff down. If we're on the bus or we're traveling, write it down so we don't lose this great information that's coming in. Now, what happens with Aries energy, it's very physical. We want to be it's physical and fiery, passionate and fiery. So we want to work. We want to get the work done. We actually want to take those steps to get to our goal. We're into it. We're getting it done. And what might happen on Thursday, oopsie, we might bite off more than we could chew. We're so excited and we're working so hard, we overwhelm ourselves. So kind of watch out for that. Don't take on more than we can handle. But it's all there. It's a very physical week. It's a great week, especially on Saturday is a very physical day. Getting our chores done, getting outside, enjoying the spring-like weather, hopefully, with our partner, with our friends and family. It's a great day. We'll start the day, we'll get together, we'll get our chores done, and then we'll go out and party. We'll go to an outdoor movie or build a big campfire. You know, I love big campfires. Woo! Or go horseback riding, something active, something physically active that we do with our partner, our friends, and family on Saturday after we get our chores done. And, you know, physicality, that includes sexuality too. So we might have a great date night Saturday night. It could be very satisfying. So that is the week ahead. Not a lot of connections going on except for Mercury moving into Aries, but that takes top billing because we are feeling it. We are feeling our true selves. We're coming into our true selves. We want to express it. And I just got to warn us, don't be offensive and come on too strong. We tend, with this Aryan energy, we tend to be aggressive. And I like to call us, sometimes it's like a bull in a china shop. We're not boom, pushing people out of the way to get to our goal. Let's not do that. Let's push them aside gently. So listen to our intuition, listen to our ideas, write them down, share them with others, and get our work done, our chores done, our spring cleaning done. It's a great week to really get those mundane tasks taken care of so we can get out and enjoy the weather outside and being physical. So that is what's going on. And remember on Saturday night to turn our clocks up an hour as we go into daylight savings time. All right, great week ahead. We're going to start like we always do. We'll take our 3 deep cleansing breaths and then we'll say our sun in Pisces affirmation. Let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. It's all flowing out of our bodies. I like to visualize it as dark black squares just flowing out. And in its place, we're being filled with this beautiful light. It's made up of white light, love, and goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire bodies, all of them, it also is protecting us. It's deflecting those little black squares, all that evil, all low vibration, all negativity, deflecting it back to wherever it came from. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we will say our Sun and Pisces affirmation. I am a spiritual being in a physical body. The light of my spirit illuminates my path. We'll say the affirmation, we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. But this week, I want us to do it 5 minutes at least every day. Okay? Let's say the affirmation together. I am a spiritual being in a physical body. The light of my spirit illuminates my path. Well, zippity doo dah on that. I just feel like getting up and let's go and let's really embrace our true selves. Let's express it. Let's get into whatever it is our passion is. Let's kind of work towards that goal if we're not there already. Let's go. Zippity doo dah. Zippity day. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. What a wonderful week. And that's what kind of week we have ahead of us. I'm kind of excited, can't you tell? Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational oracle messages. I also like to post memes, which are quirky, funny, profound, thought-provoking, and pretty too, and beautiful. There's some beautiful artwork out there. And I've said this before, but if you're having a rough time, if you are I can't make a decision, or you're thinking about something, just go over to Soul Sister Cat and just scroll through the memes. I find when I do them, I actually get an attitude adjustment sometimes that I need because it helps you see beyond your the chatter of our minds. So go check that out at Soul Sister Cat. And remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel. And this is the whole purpose of the channel and my work is to teach us that we are responsible for our own reality, whether consciously or not. So, since we are responsible and accountable, let's create the life we want consciously. Astrology is one way we could do that. There's other ways, but with astrology, we look and we work with the energies so that we can use them to their fullest to help us manifest the life we want. Great stuff. Why is that? Life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week ahead. Zippity doo dah! What a wonderful week! And really strut our stuff and be and express who we truly are and our passion and our work. Woohoo! Namaste.